reproductive parts is this. Okay, it's tallying with the female the male reproductive parts in the plants. Okay, so these two testes tallies with the anther. Okay, this is the anther. ANTHER. So anther is part A. Okay, so for human is called sperm. For the plants is called, inside they have pollen grains. Okay, pollen grains. So it's called pollen grains. Okay, pardon me of the thunder, I couldn't control that. Okay, so female reproductive parts, right? So for humans it's called, or for mammals or animals it's called okay, it's called ovary, right? Can so for plants it's also called ovary. So Y tallies with E. Can so same, contain eggs, contain eggs. Okay, you can also say it's ovary. Okay, so next one, we go through the next question. Okay, so what is the reason of the plants in A not germinating? Okay, chemical A, right? Chemical A absorb or removes all the oxygen from the surroundings, correct? Okay, sits in setup A without oxygen is not able to germinate. Okay, okay, let us go through the next one. So part B, now they switch it, right? What will most likely happen? They only ask us what will most likely happen. They did not ask us the explanation. Okay, what will he most likely observe, right? The seeds will germinate, because now is removing chemical A but changing it with water. But now chemical A is present, right? It will absorb all the oxygen in. All the oxygen will be going to the chemical A. So without oxygen, setup B, the seedling will part A, the seeds will germinate the seedling. The seedling will die. Okay? Okay, let us go through the next question. So it's an experimental fact that yes. Why? Because there is only one changed variable, which is the size of flower. Okay, how will we write the relationship? Okay, we would have to write when the length of the flower length L of the flower increases, right? The number of bees landed on the flowers increases. Okay, so next one. physical characteristics of the fruit. Okay, so physical characteristic is another word for structure. Okay, what type of structure? Okay, so y is around the river, right? Okay, so okay, x is should be pot-like structure because it is by splitting, right? Okay, so y must be floating, right? So maybe by fibrous husk, right? So it can float. Okay, so next one, z should be by wind, right? So z is only all in one direction. Okay, it's going. So wind like structure. Okay, it will be z, right? Z because the buildings, right, will block the wind, block or prevent is better, prevent the wind from okay, blowing the fruits. Okay, next we have our second part. Okay, so okay, this one you got it correct, so I will skip. Okay, and next question. Okay, so the yesterday we went through already, it's called fertilization. Okay, the female egg cell will fuse with the male egg cells. Next question, based on the results, okay, above, how can we conclude? So we must write how does this affect time taken for the liquid to completely evaporated, correct? Okay, so what can we conclude? Okay, so what can we conclude? Okay, so what can we conclude actually? Okay, the higher the temperature at the start of the experiment, the shorter the time taken for the liquid to evaporate. Okay, why is it not a fair test if Linda had used 4 beakers of different size? Okay, because the experiment can only have one change variable, which change variable on the temperature, but not two change variable which will make it a unfair experiment. Okay, next one. Okay, this one, increase surface area. So the next question will be increase surface area and use a hair dryer, right? Okay, so I think the last few questions should be able to do it by yourself again, right? Okay, the last question shouldn't be a problem, okay?